Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. To change the language on this watch, we need to open the watch application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the My Watch page. On it, scroll down, find the option called General and tap on it. Here, find the option called Language and Region and select it. And by default, this option will be selected, Mirror My iPhone. And what it does is basically, it sets the language on your watch depending on your iPhone. So if you have, for example, English selected on your iPhone, then the English will be applied to your watch. But you can select the custom option, and this will allow you to change the language on your watch specifically. And once you select custom, you will see the list of preferred languages right here. By default, probably you will have only 1 or 2 languages on this list, but you can add more languages by tapping on Add Language. And here you have the list of languages. You can scroll through, find the language you want to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and then you can select use German, because I selected German language, or use English UK. If you select the first option, it will basically apply the language you selected immediately. If you select the use English UK, or the language you had before selected, it will add the language to the list, but it won't apply it immediately. So select the option you like, for example, the first one. As you can see, the language is changing right now on our watch. And once the changes are applied, you should see that the language changed. Okay. Now, if you have a couple of languages on this preferred languages list, you can basically switch between them by moving the language to the top of the list. So let's say I want the English to be applied on our watch. We can press and hold on the sorting button next to it to grab it, then move it to the top of the list, tap on continue, and once you do, it will change the language to English. Basically, the language on this list that is first will be applied on your watch. That's how it works. Okay. You can also change the region and the calendar if you want by tapping on region and selecting the region you like. You can also change the calendar to Japanese or Buddhist if you like to. Okay. One last thing you can do is to remove the languages from this list. If you want to remove the language, simply tap on this edit button right here. This will open this editing mode. You can select the language you want to remove, tap on delete, and then tap done, and tap on continue to apply the changes. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.